Hey guys, happy goldfish bread. Let's go get some. Subtitles, please. Okay, here we go. Ready for the goldfish shaped. Oh, they're so mini sized. They're usually big. Okay, what is she putting in? Some kind of cream. Shoe cream. I don't know what it is in English, but it's usually red bean paste. But shoe cream here is very famous. Goldfish shaped bread is very famous here in Korea for a winter snack. Also, you could have sweet potatoes. They cook it for you. Like it's a street food kind of snack, I guess. They have a lot of those. Okay, another shoe cream. I like shoe cream more than red bean paste. So yeah, okay, she's giving it to us. 5 for $1. It's really good, but they are kind of mini. Okay, thank you. Love your purple hair. Let's have a go. Getting into it. Okay. First I'm gonna try the red bean paste one because it's famous, like everywhere. Okay, we're having a go. Oh my god, it's so hot. Okay. Whoa. Be careful, everybody. You might literally get your tongue like snapped in half or something. Okay. I'm gonna go for the shoe cream one. Let's go. Oh my god, it's more hot. Kill me, please. What the heck? Wow, okay, it's so hot. Bye guys. I can't shoot anymore.